Hallo zusammen, herzlich willkommen. Myself Tanvi, and today in this video we are going to see what mistakes beginners make while learning a new language, and if you are a beginner, how you can avoid these mistakes and learn the language faster and in a better manner. This video is for people who are learning any language, be it German, French, Japanese, Spanish, or even English for that matter. Now that I have learned German till C1 level and learning French, in the process of learning French, I have seen that I have made some mistakes which I shouldn't have made after learning the first language, but still I did. I understood, I tried to correct them, and I saw immense progress. The first mistake a lot of us make while learning a new language: not listening enough. I know it can be frustrating listening to a lot of songs or videos or watching videos when you understand zero out of it, when you don't understand anything out of it. But trust me, if you listen a lot, then you improve your speaking, and after a point, you start understanding what you are listening. At least you are able to understand a few words from that, and later on it helps a lot. For example, I'll give you example of German. If you start learning German today, you have to listen to some 50 videos, for example, where you won't understand a single thing. It might happen you are understanding only 5%, 10%, 20%. You will start understanding the videos and its meaning better day by day. But on some days it would be like, I don't understand anything, I don't want to hear it anymore, I don't want to listen to this, I don't want to watch this. But yeah, this is what it takes. You have to listen, and trust me, after 50 videos you will start understanding better. Even in your course, if you are doing any, or exam, if you are going to appear for any exam, this really helps. So keep a target. I'll watch 50 videos, maybe 2 videos daily, 3 videos daily. I'll just listen passively, do nothing. I'll just listen, I'll keep doing my work, I'll keep cooking, I'll keep completing my assignments, but listen. Instead of putting on English songs, for example, I started putting German songs on Spotify. So I started listening to those words. I understood nothing, but still, it really helped in accent building and a few words which I understood, which were colloquial. Yeah, so please keep listening. For German, I would suggest you can use easy German videos. Those videos are podcast kind of street interviews, and those are really great. You can build a great vocab as well. The next mistake a lot of people do is not being consistent. To be very honest, I think this is not a mistake. Because of your responsibilities or circumstances, you might not be able to learn your new language every single day. But if you give at least 30 minutes every day to the new language, you are going to be better and better at it. So I would tell you how to go about being consistent. So after your work or after your school, take out 30 minutes. If you are going to some class, you've joined some course which is daily, then you can just try completing your homework and revising what is taught in the class. This third thing I'm going to talk about is the one I've seen many people doing. What a lot of people do is they just say, I'll learn the vocabulary from a dictionary. And they say, today I'll learn all the alphabet, all the 5 words from letter A. But then tomorrow it gets a bit boring because you're only doing letter A. Then after 5-6 days, you know 20-30 words of only letter A, nothing else. It is a very limited vocabulary, it becomes repetitive, and after a point you just forget everything because it is not that interesting. What I suggest, or what I would tell my students to do is, for example, you take a group, for example, animals. Learn 10 animals this day. Like, write it down, memorize it, कि okay, this is cat is called this in this language, whatever you are learning. Then tomorrow revise the animals and take the vehicles. That helps because you are learning with a group. So you, after a point, you know what is cat called, what is dog called, what is donkey called, what is horse called, what is train called, what is bus called. It's not like you only know words starting from letter A. You have a big range of vocabulary, even though you are learning the same amount of words. Even though at the end of a week you know 30 words, but they have a greater range and have a greater meaning. You can form sentences by using those words as well. So my ideal way of learning words is you write down the word, you write down its meaning in English, and then you form any sentence. Some people say make a funny sentence or make something you would be able to remember, but I would say even if you say make a sentence, a normal sentence. For example, if the word is cat, the cat is on the table, even that is okay. Or if you want to make it funny, the cat is pink in color, cat is blue in color, that works as well. The fourth thing we are going to talk about, or the fourth mistake we are going to talk about, is the mistake a lot of people do. I won't even blame anyone because even I did that mistake. I still kind of do that mistake because of fear of getting wrong. The fourth mistake we are going to talk about is not speaking enough. Not speaking enough, we don't speak while learning a new language because we feel, what if I'm wrong? What if I'm not using the correct vocabulary? What if, I don't know, what if anything? What if my grammar formation, sentence formation is wrong? What if what I want to convey is not being conveyed properly? And these are the reasons why we don't speak enough in the new language we are trying to learn. But no one cares. Even if you are wrong, even if you speak wrong in the course where you are studying, the teacher will correct you. If you are learning it yourself, studying it, whoever your speaking partner is, whoever your the person who you practice speaking with will correct you. Even if he or she doesn't correct you, then you are right. Don't worry about it. But don't stop speaking. At least you should be able, like anything, whatever you feel, anything you want to express, try to express in the new language you are learning. And trust me, it will help you, not even like only specific to the exam preparation or anything. It will help you in a very long run. So trust me and start speaking more in the new language. The last mistake we are going to talk about is not specific to learning a new language. A lot of people make this mistake while learning anything new, and that is having a fear of being wrong. Okay, having a fear is not a mistake, but not working on your fear is definitely a mistake. So whenever you are learning a new language, try to, even if you are fear of not being able to speak correctly, not being able to solve exercises, not being able to write correctly, not being able to listen and solve the exercise, read and solve the exercise, your grammar is not perfect. Don't worry. You might be wrong today, you're not able to do something. Tomorrow it will get better, and day by day it will get better. And why would it get better? Because you're being consistent. Okay, so always be consistent. Don't be afraid of being wrong anytime. If you are wrong, your teacher will correct you. The other people, if you are on some online forums, you post something, other people correct it all the time. I am quite active on online forums, and lot of people correct other people's mistakes in writing and speaking as well. So that really helps, but you have to work on it. If you don't try, you won't know where you are going wrong, and if you don't know where you are going wrong, you can never ever improve. With this, we are done seeing the 5 mistakes a lot of beginners do, and you also might be doing. Even I did. I am still kind of doing, because obviously it is easier said than done. You have to actively do the change and bring the change, and that will drastically change your results as well. So if you give in 10%, the result would be 100% changed. It will change from not being able to understand anything to directly being able to understand a lot of things. So yeah, this was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. We have our application Deutschify. The link for our application is given in the description box. We also have currently a 30 days of German challenge going on. If you are a beginner in German, you can definitely join it. The link to join that challenge is a WhatsApp group. You can join it and you'll get the further details there. We also have our main Deutschify group, from which you can directly text me, contact me, ask if you have any doubts. I'm always reply to all the messages I have and try to solve all your doubts. If anything else, you can always ask in the comment box. Do let me know if you like this video. If you have any other tips for other your peers who are starting to learn a new language or who are a beginner, so do let us know as well. And also let us know your one special technique that you are using or you used which turned out to be really good and helped you a lot in the long run. So that is it for today, guys. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because if you are finding this useful, then you definitely shouldn't miss any single video. That is what I feel. So do like, share and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.